Canada Day, everyone. How are you, Alex? Nice dress you had there. But you had coffee? So it's July 1 today and we're going to Vancouver to celebrate Canada Day. And yeah, it's so warm today. Napakainit pero okay naman. It's 30-degree Allen, right, Kuya? Yeah. Okay, wow. So pupunta kami ng downtown waterfront, Vancouver. Tama, no? Alex?
Yes.
Right, Kuya? Hi, Kuya. Okay, see you in a bit. Ba. Hi. Hi, Alex.
2 hours 5:50.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
I transfer you when we get. Dito lang.
I don't need to.
Okay. Meron yata event dito eh. Dito kami sa North Van ngayon, Lonsdale. At we are celebrating our Canada Day today. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. There we go. Anak, hotel pala yan, no? Lonsdale. Currently 30-degree today, 32 out. So it's summer. It's good.
Very hot.
Ha?
Very warm.
Very warm, no? Summer na eh. Officially summer, no? Let's go here, Kuya. It's nice here. Happy Canada Day sa mga Filipino-Canadian in Vancouver and the whole Canada. Anak, you know, it's a perfect place here. You know why? It smells French, but look at it. Come here. Here. There's like a bar. Right there. Say hello, guys. Ma. So yun yung downtown Vancouver. Harbor Center, waterfront, and the other side. Ayun ang pinaka downtown. So currently nasa North Van tayo ngayon. July 1st, 2025. Yun ang aking mag-iina. You know. Ganda rin ng video, no? Tingnan mo ba? Ganda ng panahon ngayon, guys. It's officially summer here in Vancouver, Canada. Oh, then, get the view, Hi, Alexandra. Yeah, I did.
I don't feel hot.
Yeah, I did. But not in my face.
Oh no, I'm good.
So that's a SkyTrain, SkyTrain, Sea-Bus station, kuya? That's the one right there. Cool. Ito pala view may, oh. Hello. Hey, Alexandra. So ito yung Westman naman tong sa kabilang side. Happy Canada Day!
Everyone
Hello!
in Canada.
Ay, ganda, oh. Nice view. May fish and chips, Alan.
Yeah.
Nasa baba?
Yeah, ma'am. The sun is not like,
It's not hot. No.
it's not that hot, right? Yeah. Still tolerable. Yun yung kabila, downtown Vancouver. Ito si Jodimi. Miss Jodimi, ano masasabi mo? Pati mo naman mga Pilipino-Canadian ng Canada.
Birthday, Canada.
Eh?
Happy birthday, Canada.
Wave ka naman. Oh, Alex, go down. That's why it smells price. Ayan, maraming mga event ngayon na mangyayari all over Vancouver. Meron sa Surrey, meron sa New West, Burnaby, at Langley. Kaya lang pinili namin magpunta ng North Van. Ewan kung makakaabot kami ng fireworks mamaya, pero yun yung plan. Manood kami ng fireworks. Ayan.
That's what I mean.
So it's a Lonsdale, no? North Van.
Next one, we gotta get in there.
Yeah. You can take a seat there if you want. Di ba, ma? Hi, Joe. May likod mo. Jodimi. Guys, sabi nila kahit kung coffee drinker ka, walang mainit na summer. Iinom ka ng kape kahit mainit. Kaya ako magkakape. Nasa sistema na ng katawan ko magkape. Everyday. Kape tayo. Ito. Ganda ng yate, guys, oh. Pang mayaman lang yan. Ayan, oh, ganda. Pero lagi na nakadaong dyan yan. Kahit last year, nagpunta kami dito. Guys, ito yung King Tops. Yan. King Tops yan. Sa atin ang yan, Tapa King. Yan. Hi. Ganda na panahon ngayon. Naval ship. You know. Nice. Kami dyan. Ayan ang naval base, oh.
Hello.
Having fun ba? Having fun?
Yes.
Yes.
Fun. Daming
It's-
tao.
It's Family Day, Canada Day. Right?
And it's mainit din.
Mainit day to 30 degree. But it's okay. There you go. Anak, they have Joey's here, eh? Yeah. There you go. Kailangan mataas, no? Guys, napaka festive ng Canada Day ngayon dito sa North Mat. Daming tao. Ang saya. HMCS Regina. Ayan, kita mo. Puta, ready to war na yung mga ano natin. Oh, ayan. Ayan, nasa lid kami ng Navy warship for Canada Day. So, Canadian vessel. There you go na. Guys, ayan. May nuclear yan.
I think we have to line up.
Hindi, parang VIP eh. Punta tayo. Yeah. Ayun, no? Dumaong sila rito sa North Van. Yung iba armado pa. Daming tao, ano. Festive talaga ang Canada Day ngayon. Buti nga hindi umuulan. Most probably yung mga Canada Day natin previously umuulan eh, no? Ma?
Alger, it's warmer here.
Kailangan daw niya ng heat.
We like the
So that's a maple leaf emblem for Canada. Ang ganda rin ng ng military ng Canada. May buffet kaya dyan sa loob? Papasok na sila. Oh. Madali eh. Hindi naman naaalis yan eh. Bukas pa aalis yan.
Naka-shades kasi siya.
Kulang ko yun.
Ano? Saan galing yung mga yun?
Hindi, nakapaikot yan.
Paikot ba yun?
Yeah.
Ito sa kanto.
Yung ano sasabi ka. Yun, dito na kami sa loob ng Navy ship. Yan may helicopter pa. Ano yung Apache? Yeah, I think Apache helicopter. Ayun matayo ka sandali. Ma. Hi, ma. Para makita ka sa chopper. There you go. Nasa loob. Ganda nun pero okay na. Wala na sarado na pati rito sarado na. Ayan Mexico. Ito yung Canada. Pinagsarahan kami kasi late na kami pumunta. Pero nandun lang kami sa may chopper nila. Madam. Enjoy mo ba yung ship? Yeah.
Enjoy ko yung entrance. And the helicopter.
Boss, saan yung washroom dito? Saan? Sa missile room?
Okay. He likes Yes.
Okay, we're leaving. Hi guys.
May nagpipicture pa.
So ito medyo we're going home.
Destination.
Okay. I hope na-enjoy niyo yung mini vlog namin dito sa Northman. Dito sa ano, na-tour namin kayo sandali sa saan yun? Sa Juarez Navy ship. Mexican ship.
And this one is Regina.
HMC Regina.
Okay, thank you. Anyways, have a good day.
You know, pakita ko guys yung
This one is
HMC.
HMCS Regina.
Ayan na. HMC rin. Okay. Tapos na rin yung araw namin. Okay. See you guys.